to another video for a Walmart Ibotta haul. I wanted to hit my weekend warrior bonus again, and of course I'm still tracking to that top 20 saver where you have to do a total of 70 offers or rebates in order to get an extra free $20 back. So here are another couple good offers for you guys to do. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button in that bottom right hand corner and the notification bell. And that way, anytime I post a new video for new deals or any new printable coupons or anything, you guys will be notified first. So let's dive into the deals. First deal I did, if you can't tell by my voice, I'm kind of sick. So I wanted to do the Celestial Tea. There's a ton of different varieties that you can get. They are $2.37 each. So I got two different kinds. I had a $2.50 off 2 coupon from the 9.15 Smart Source that I went ahead and applied. I paid $2.24 out of pocket, submitted to Ibotta for $1 back on 2. So you have to buy 2 of them in order to get that $1 back rebate. Final cost was just $1.24 for both, or 62 cents each. So that's not bad. They started at $2.37, and it's a really good brand of tea. And again, I'm sick, so I'm going to be utilizing these a lot. Next deal I want to do, again, is on the toffee. So this reset for me, and it wound up making it a moneymaker, because there is a toffee bonus if you buy it, either this or the singles, in 2 separate shopping trips. You get an additional $1 back. So these are priced at my Walmart at $2.19. There was $1 off any toffee from the 9.8 Smart Source. I went ahead and applied that. I paid $1.18 out of pocket, submitted it to Ibotta, got $1 back, so that made it just 18 cents, but then I hit that bonus, got an additional $1 back, so it made it a moneymaker of 82 cents. So definitely a hot deal on that. The Alpen mix, a lot of people have been trying, so I thought I would give it a shot. It's not a bad deal, and it looks really good. It has like M&Ms and just so much goodness in here. Like, it looks great. And they were on rollback for $2. Ibotta's gonna give you back 65 cents. So final out of pocket is just $1.35. It's not bad, it's a pretty big bag. Thought it would be a really good snack or something like that if I'm having a sweet tooth, which is all the time, so that's excellent. The next deal I did is not the best deal. It's the Butterball Turkey again, but I use this for my meal plan, so that's why I do it. I'm gonna buy it anyway, so I may as well get a rebate and get 55 cents back. These are $3.88. It's 4-pack of turkey burgers. Like I said, Ibotta gives you back 55 cents, makes this just $3.33. So, yeah, not the best deal, obviously. I mean, we have some money makers and some free stuff, but I use it. I'm gonna cook it today, so no big deal there. Okay, so the next deal is the best deal, in my opinion, because it's free baby wipes. Actually, they're 3-cent money makers each. Woohoo! And a limit of 5. So these are 16 count. See if I can get the glare off. Nope, not working. Okay, so anyway, there's 16 count Huggies. They're the Natural Care Safe for Sensitive Skin, and they're baby wipes. They're in the travel section of Walmart. So they're 97 cents each. Ibotta's gonna give you back $1 because it says $1 back on any variety, any size of the Natural Care. So you get $1 back each. So I submitted it 5 times and got 5 of them. So that's 16 times 5. That's like 50, 60, 70, I don't know, like 80 wipes or something. The math is probably wrong, but look at all these wipes for free. And I actually made 3 times 5, 15 cents. I made 15 cents picking up all these baby wipes, which are great. And they're really small, so I'm gonna stick one of these in the car anytime. Ooh, I'm sick, so I'm all over the place. Anytime your hands are sticky or gross, or you have kids, having one in the car, in your purse, whatever, awesome. Really excited about that. If for some reason your store doesn't have that, you can always buy the 56 count. They're $1.54, and you'll get $1 back, so it makes it just 54 cents. So that's not bad either. These are obviously better. You're getting more bang for your buck. It's free and a moneymaker. This will cost you 54 cents. Now, Swab. This is one of the more complicated deals. You have to have a bunch of different reward apps. I try to sign up for all of them because It's free money, who cares? It takes a little bit of time, but it's like not a big deal. I have all these gift cards like I'm accruing towards. So this is $4.47. Now, I just downloaded an app called Shopkicks. It's similar to Fetch Rewards. So all the information will be below in the description box. So what you do is, this app is a little different too. You can go into the store and just scan items, like whatever items is listed, you just scan it. So you just scan the barcode and you'll get, they call it kicks. You can get like 10 kicks, 15 kicks, whatever. When you get 1,250, you get a $5 gift card to wherever you want. So you don't even, there's no purchase necessary. Like if you're going into the store and your parents or your boyfriend or something is going shopping and you just go around scanning some items on the app, you're getting like free money for nothing when you're gonna be at the store anyway. So really good app, I definitely recommend it. My code will be at the bottom, I just started it, but it seems really worth it, so I definitely recommend it. Anyway, back to the deal. So this is $4.47. You're gonna get back 100 kicks from Shopkicks, which is like 40 cents is what I kind of figured the math out to be. I got a few extra kicks because I was just scanning items and kind of figuring it all out. So I scanned a couple items, so I'm up to like 400 kicks now, so I'm almost there. Then Ibotta gives you back $1.25, and then Checkout 51 gives you back $1. So final cost is $1.82. I submitted this to Fetch Rewards because it's supposed to be one of the bonus items. I mean, what could it possibly hurt? The next deal is on Krusty. So the muffin mix is $2.14. You can get chocolate or there's like blueberry or whatever, but I just love everything chocolate. It's so good, and I think this is a good brand. I've had it before. Looks delish. So you're gonna pay $2.14. Ibotta gives you back 50 cents, makes it just $1.64. So not a huge deal or anything, but who doesn't like, you know, muffins in the morning, whatever. So this one for the pancake mix is a better deal. So it's $1.94. This is the light and fluffy. They also had gluten-free, which I think would have worked as well. So if you have a gluten intolerance or anything, you could have picked that one up as well. It's in the cereal aisle. So Ibotta gives you back 75 cents, but then I had an additional, any pancake mix, get an additional 25 cents back. So I got $1 back, so it makes it just 94 cents. So those are all the deals that I did. This is another awesome Walmart Ibotta haul. I hit my weekend warrior bonus, which was an additional $1. I got the additional $1 on this. Final cost on all 13 items, I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 items is $8.38. The reason why it's a little bit more expensive is because of the Butterball. This was $3.33 of that. So if you don't get that, your final out of cost is gonna be like $5 for everything you see here minus the Butterball, because this was $3.33. So that was the most expensive item of everything I got, but again, I bought it because I'm gonna cook it today for my meals. So make sure you guys are obviously catering these deals to whatever you guys use. I don't recommend buying anything you're not gonna eat unless it's free, then you can give it a shot. So if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.